All right, so getting started. Welcome, welcome. My name is Mr. Caro. I will be your chemistry instructor for CHM100. And so we're going to give you a little orientation video here so you can see where things are and how to get yourself started. So once you've entered D2L and you've clicked on content, you'll have this little menu right here. So getting started basically is getting started. So under getting started, you'll have your syllabus link, course policies, and course schedule. So you can see where we need to be and when we need to be there. If it's a face-to-face course, it'll tell you places and things that we're doing on the days we're doing them. If it's an online course or a hybrid course, it'll simply tell you what's expected to be done by the end of each week. Under that, we'll have our learning materials. And so here's where it'll be broken down by week. So it'll tell you week 1, here are the things you need to get done, the things you need to read, the things you need to study, things you might want to get questions with. And at the end of each week, you'll have a check-in. Your check-in, depending on which week it is, could be anything from just a quick discussion topic, or it'll be a quiz. You'll surely be able to tell when you see it laid out which one you're dealing with. They do have differences in points. So for those of you that are concerned with your grade right away, which would be probably most of us, then you want to pay attention to that as well. Next, you'll have instructor information. So this is just basic a little bio about me. Right at the top is how to get a hold of me, the best methods to get a hold of me. So email, telephone, office phone, cell phone, text messages, how to do all of that kind of stuff and the best way to do it. Also, you'll see a communication plan. So it also just kind of reiterates what's going on with how to get a hold of me and best methods and what to expect from me as far as communications. How I make my communications, how often I should make announcements, how I make announcements, and things of that nature. Under course orientation, well, this is it. This is going to be the video that I'm going to put under course orientation. So if you've gotten here and you're wondering what's going on, well, that's what's going to be under that tab. Finally, we have student resources, and the resources are simply, one would be Smart Thinking. So it's a tutorial that you can use that's online. I'm hoping that we're keeping that. We've had that for the past, I'd say 3 or 4 years, it feels like. Might have been longer actually at this point, but hopefully we'll have that again coming in this semester and the following semesters coming up. I also have given you the periodic table that I'll use for exams. So when I'm writing up answer keys, things of that nature, this is the periodic table that I'll use. Naming compounds. It's going to seem a little overwhelming if I start going through all of this stuff because it's just an orientation. It's your first day. And if you scroll back up to the top here and you get under learning materials, you'll see these things as they come at you week by week. So it won't seem nearly as overwhelming or nearly as demanding. So anyway, again, just a quick little orientation. Hopefully, you're not nervous, maybe some jitters because it's the first time. If you're a previous student who's back with me for a new level, or maybe you just had something happen and you had to start again. I'm looking forward to it. Enjoy teaching chemistry. I enjoy getting to know each and every one of you. So hopefully we'll have a great semester. Actually, I know we'll have a great semester. And I'm looking forward to chit-chatting with you either via Zoom or actually in the classroom. So until we meet again, you have a great day. Hopefully you're enjoying the rest of your little summer, or it's Monday and you're starting. So either way, best of luck to you. And if you need anything from me, don't hesitate. Give me a call, give me an email, just say hi, just drop a line. Communication is important. So if you need anything from me, even if you don't need it for chemistry, you're not sure who to go to with something, feel free to come to me. If I don't know what you need to do or who you need to talk to, I know the guy who knows all the guys, right? So I can definitely at least get you started in the right direction. All right. So have a great day. Talk to you soon.